Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Steve Wallace. I'm going to be your instructor for college algebra this summer. This video is meant to give you a quick overview about our course and the GoView or D2L page that we have right here. So first things first, when you log on to our GoView, notice that there's a announcements window here or box. I will be posting at least one announcement per week to give you an overview over the coming deadlines or what you should be working on that week to remind you about the pacing of the course. You should also note that this button right here, the calendar, is something you need to check early and often. Okay, so this is going to give you an idea of what's coming up, what you should be doing each day or each week. The announcements will change and disappear periodically, but if you go to communication discussions, I'm going to also be posting those in the From Your Instructor message board as well. So there's going to be a log of all the communications that I send there if you ever miss anything. This is also the place where you would go to get your grades. You go to assessments, go to grades. That's the best way to check on your scores. I'm going to be keeping that updated as we go, so you always know where you're at. First thing you should do when you come in, you should click on the syllabus and read the syllabus. It looks like this right now. It says I have office hours Tuesday and Thursday, 10 to 11. I'm going to be online at that time. So if you send me an email, and always if you send me email, use the GoView email application, this little guy right here. Unless it's an emergency, you don't need to send me email to my my external email. Or call this number. That's my office number. Yes, I will get those messages, and yes, I will return them. But it's more secure from a something called FERPA, which is a national privacy policy that I have to adhere to, that I cannot discuss grades or anything like that in the external email, but I can in here. Okay, the other thing, once you read that syllabus, you'll need to go through the Start Here content. So here's where everything in the course is going to be. So you click on Content, click on the first thing, which is Start Here, I guess, and click on Welcome, and that's the beginning, right? And you can go through all these panels by navigating through with these arrows. If you do that, you're never going to miss anything. Okay, so content and calendar are the two. Those things, those links should be worn out by the end of this of the term. And the other thing you're going to have to do by the end of the first week is you're going to have to complete the mandatory attendance quiz, which is really easy. It's like 5 minutes or less. And you'll also need to write an introduction, a little blurb about yourself. Here's mine. It'd be nice if you labeled your introduction with your own name, like I have here. And if you want, you can add a picture of yourself or your family. Those are my dogs and my kids, so we can see who you are and get to know you. That's pretty much it. This is a very jam-packed course. So when you start this class, you're going to be working every day. Make sure you work in GoView at least a little bit every day. so you can stay up with the calendar, because there's a lot of stuff. And there are a lot of homework assignments. Those homework assignments are in each module or lesson, and when you click on it, it's going to look a little different for you because it's going to open right up. But it's in something called Newton. And the way Newton works is, let's see, I wonder if I can preview. Okay, there we go. The way it works is you're given a problem. If you get it right, then you'll be working towards a mastery of the objectives. Once you master the objective, you don't have to do it anymore. Okay. If it takes you a long time to master the objective, that's fine. That just means you have to do more problems. Okay. So I can't tell you how many problems there are in each homework because it's going to be different for every student. So you want to work on these homework assignments sooner than later, because you don't know how long it's going to take you, right? But it's very helpful. This is a skills-based course. You want to be able to practice, okay? The due dates for those homework assignments are not strict, which means I have due dates for them. However, if you continue to work on them all throughout the semester, you can still earn full credit even if you miss the deadline. However, if you do not attempt the homework before the associated exams, like say you don't finish lesson 2 and lesson 1 homework by this date, or the 3 or 4 by that date, and then you've got a test that you have to do also in Newton, you're not going to be ready for it, okay? These due dates, the test due dates, are strict. You get 2 chances to do your best on an online test. There is one exam that only gives you 1 chance, and that is the proctored midterm. If you do not take the proctored midterm, you will get an F in the course. That's Ecore policy. So when it comes time to do it, you need to schedule and take your midterm exam within that exam period. Okay, it's very important. All the other things are not proctored, and I will be using the announcements to give you more details about that when it's time. With that, I'm going to sign off here, and I hope to meet you all virtually or face-to-face if necessary very soon. Oh, let me note that my office hours are going to be virtual, but if you send me a message here using this instant messenger saying that you want to meet face-to-face, or you want a video chat, I will set one up. So when it's time, if you send me a thing saying you want to meet face-to-face, we can. So you just have to make an appointment, because I'm not going to open up a video chat and just wait for people to show up. But I am here to respond to your emails or queries or instant messages immediately during those office hours. Okay, so with that, I will sign off. Thanks. Bye.